If you're looking to dive into JDoodle AI, you're in the right place. This newly released software has been generating buzz, and today I'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know to decide if JDoodle AI is right for you. Stick around, because I'll also share where you can try it for free. First, JDoodle AI aims to make complex tasks simple. It's designed to boost productivity, offering a user-friendly interface and seamless functionality. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner in AI, this software is surprisingly accessible. You can try JDoodle AI with 0 upfront costs by clicking the link below. Let's get into the key features. JDoodle AI is an absolute game changer in the space of coding and development. The most notable feature is its real-time code execution, allowing you to instantly test and iterate on your ideas. Instead of wasting time debugging, JDoodle helps you immediately spot errors and tweak them on the fly. This means less time spent on frustration and more focus on creating. Another major strength is its broad compatibility with multiple programming languages. Whether you're working in Python, Java, or C++, JDoodle AI supports it. If you're someone who juggles different projects across different languages, this will save you a ton of time, as you don't need to keep switching between platforms or tools. Now let's talk about collaboration. JDoodle AI lets you collaborate with others in real time. This is a huge bonus if you're working on a team project, or if you just want feedback on your code. It supports instant sharing of your work with others, streamlining the process for a more collaborative, efficient workflow. The fourth point I want to mention is JDoodle AI's code execution speed. One of the biggest turnoffs with other platforms is that they can be slow, especially when testing larger code bases. JDoodle AI excels in this department with its fast code execution. It handles heavy processing tasks much faster than traditional compilers, making it ideal for rapid development cycles. Next, JDoodle AI is cloud-based, which means you can access your work from anywhere. No more worrying about losing your progress or switching devices. All of your code is stored in the cloud, ready to be accessed on any device with an internet connection. But what truly sets JDoodle apart is its learning curve, or rather, the lack of one. Most AI coding platforms come with a steep learning curve, but JDoodle AI offers an intuitive design that's easy to navigate. Even if you've never used an AI tool before, you can dive in quickly and start generating results. Its clean interface means you won't feel overwhelmed with options. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. JDoodle offers a free plan, which is perfect for new users or casual coders. You can explore everything the software has to offer without any financial commitment. For those who need more features, they have paid plans that scale up depending on your needs. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that after trying thousands of AI tools, I've compiled my personal recommendations for the best AI software in the description below, and they're available for free trials. So if JDoodle AI doesn't fully suit your needs, I've got other options for you to explore. To sum up, JDoodle AI is one of the best newly released AI software tools you can try. Whether you're coding for fun, learning, or professionally, JDoodle is a powerful, free, and accessible tool for anyone looking to level up their coding experience. Make sure to check the first link in the description for your free trial, and I'll catch you in the next review.